It's my day off! So, the first thing I do is make my bed up. Literally, I cannot start my day unless I make my bed up. It just throws off the whole galaxy atmosphere thing for the day, and I'm just a mess. So, this is what I do. Just fluff up my pillows, fluff up my sheets, spray it with a little bit of nice Febreze, and then we're good to go. So now I head to the bathroom and just do what people do. We brush our teeth, we wash our face. Here today I'm using the Neutrogena face wash. I like it because it is a creamy consistency and my skin is super, super dry. So thought I'd try it out. Never used it before, but yeah, it's actually pretty good. Then after I wash my face, I put my contacts in. Usually I'll be wearing my glasses, but for some reason I was just feeling the contacts today. Very unlikely. Then I plop on my face cream. My face cream has to have an SPF in it. I do not wear a lot of makeup, so this is a must. Then from the bathroom to the kitchen, we're gonna make some breakfast. I was feeling some kind of eggy sensation today, so just came up with this. And so this is breakfast. See, I have my little scramble mix with my hot sauce and ketchup, my English muffin with a little bit of light salmon cream cheese, my apple and yogurt, of course my glass of water, and yeah, time to enjoy. Then I'm gonna head back upstairs real quick, do a little clothes switcheroony. It is my day off, so you will catch me in sweats for literally the whole day. Then I'm gonna grab my clothes, actually my laundry, put it in, set it and forget it for about an hour because I will be doing some exercising in the meantime. It's a good way for me to stay on track. No laundry's getting done, go do some exercising and come back. Okay, so it's been like 25 minutes now? Almost there. 50 minutes. We're gonna do this till the laundry's done. Then I check the mail, make sure all my goods has been delivered so I can be either happy or angry, depending on what comes. Perfect timing at this point. My clothes is washed. I can switch it into the dryer, grab myself something to eat, and just chill out until I find another cast to do. Time for some fruit. I think I'm going to have a grapefruit. Maybe a mango. Nah, grapefruit. It's bright out, yo. I even like, what's going on? I feel like, hello. Anyways, going out by deep. Oh, wow, this grapefruit's really juicy. Oh, good. Juicy. Then I come into my little office, check myself out, hey, make sure wax pots are on. Oops, gotta take that off. Make sure the bed is nice and fluffed like it always is. And of course, my manicure / backdrop area for filming. Just something I started to do, but it's gonna come along nicely. Okay, so my obsession is smelling clean laundry. Like, I just need air fresheners, fabric detergents, everything that just smells like clean laundry. Going to fold this mountain of nice smelling clean laundry up, then gonna go cook some dinner. Okay, so life hack, these bounce sheets that are used, do not throw them out. Honestly, this is what I do. Let me show you. Yo, you can't flip on a camera? Okay, 1 second. Literally, bras smelling good. Just stuff it in there and lock it away. Time to prep dinner. Chop in mushrooms, bok choy, some meatballs, onions, chilies. Gonna make a nice pasta sauce. Done, I get to come back, edit my videos, search YouTube, download music, pretty much have an internet playground until my hubby gets home. Then I'm his for the evening. So literally that's it. That's my day off. That's what I do. Laundry, cooking, cleaning, cooking, laundry. It's a cycle. It just happens. So yeah, I'll come back to you with another video. Not maybe on my day off, maybe not on my day off. I don't know, maybe we'll do one before that. We'll see how it goes. Anyways, if you like these kind of videos, these routine videos, I'm gonna try to do another one, maybe like a nighttime one. Who knows, we'll see. But if you like it, give it a big thumbs up, and then yeah, like and subscribe.
Make partitions in my knickers, yeah.